Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the form and turning it into a quiz. This is where you define grading behavior and collect student identity. Once done, add a clear title and concise instructions so students know timing and rules. Make sure to enable collect email addresses and limit to one response for accountability. You should choose manual or immediate grade release, depending on whether you want to review answers first. This setup prevents duplicate submissions and ties responses to users for later grading. Now design the assessment with varied question types and attach answer keys for auto-grading where possible. You should assign point values and add feedback for common mistakes. This speeds grading and student learning. To reduce cheating, shuffle questions and answers and enable locked mode on managed devices or schedule a tight time window. Also add short answer validation for numeric responses so students enter standardized formats. These measures balance fairness with practical exam administration. Before launching, preview the quiz as a student and test scoring. Once confident, publish the form link or assign it through Google Classroom and set a clear deadline. Monitor the Responses tab in real time and export to Sheets for bulk grading, analytics, or record keeping. After collection, release grades as planned and provide feedback. If something goes wrong, first check sharing permissions and that you haven't hit the form submission quota. Adjust settings or duplicate the form to resolve timing or access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.